first I'm going to prep my skin. For moisturizer, I'm using Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. Don't forget to apply the moisturizer in the neck. After applying the moisturizer, give some 5 minutes to absorb. I am going to apply this shade on my eyelids because I have pigmentation. So I am going to apply 2 shade dark concealer on my pigmented eyes. I am using PAC concealer in the shade Go Deep to conceal the darkness on the eyes. Instead of liquid concealers, cream concealers are best to conceal the darkness and create an even complexion. This concealer is very pigmented and it stays for a long time. I'm going to lightly dab it with the powder. So I'm going to create a brown smoky eyes. Today I'm going to use this Jaclyn eyeshadow palette volume 2 for this look. You can use any eyeshadow which has this brown colors. I'm just using this brown colors. So these brown colors will suit all skin tone. So first I'm going to take this color. I'm going to apply it on the crease. So this color is my base of my eyeshadow. I'm going to pack this color and blend it well. I'm using windshield wiper motion to blend this color into my eyelid. So this eyeshadow is very good. It is very pigmented. For applying this first color, take a big fluffy brush like this and blend. These all are shades of brown, but this is little bit darker than the previous color. Now I am applying this darker color on the outermost corner of the eye in a V shape and blend it well without seeing any harsh lines. Now I am pressing this color onto the eyelids and blending. I'm taking this color to blend both the eyeshadows.
It is always best to first apply the lighter color first, then blend, then take the darker color. To take a darker shade, then blend it. It will make blending very harder for you. Blending is the best way to soften dark shades and create a smooth transition.
Next I am taking this glitter and applying it on the eyelids. Eyeliner, I am using Swiss Beauty Jet Black eyeliner. Since I have hooded eyes, I am going to draw a very thin line. This eyeliner is very pigmented. See, look. This eyeliner also stays for a very long time. For foundation, I am taking Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 330. Foundation has a slightly thick texture, but it feels very smooth. Always take very small quantity and apply. Using PAC brush to blend this foundation. This formula is very lightweight. We can use this foundation for everyday wear also. It feels very light on the skin. Doesn't look dry or cakey. Next I am going to apply this ELF 16 hour camo concealer. The full coverage concealer and it gives matte finish. This concealer is highly pigmented. If you don't like to wear foundation on everyday basis, you can just wear this concealer. I am blending this concealer using PAC 074 brush. Sound கம்மி பண்ணு பாப்பா. This concealer has an oil balancing formula. This formula is very good and it gives a matte finish. Now I am blending it using this beauty blender. For loose powder, I am using PAC loose powder in the shade Banana. I am using this powder puff to set the under eyes. So that the under eye area doesn't crease. For some people, T-zone area will be oily, so I am going to set that area also. For kajal, I am going to use Sugar Coal of Honor Intense Kajal. This kajal is very pigmented and it is very creamy. You can apply it very easily. It also stays for a very long time. Now I am going to smudge my lower lash line using a brown eyeshadow. It gives a smoky effect. And I am going to smudge it out. Same brown color. I am going to use the same brown color. Now I am going to finish it off with Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. For contour, I am going to use the Sugar Contour the Force Mini Bronzer in the shade Woody Wonder. For blush, I am going to use Sugar Blush in the shade Salmon Superstar. This is a very pigmented blush and it is a peach tone blush. This blush is suitable for all skin tones. Highlighter, I am going to use this Swiss Beauty Baked Blusher and Highlighter.